Let's solve this using GymDAS. Get ready to level up your math skills. In this lesson, we'll break down a math problem step by step using the GymDAS rule. That's grouping, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Follow along and see how solving becomes easier when we follow the right order of operations. Our problem is 6 plus 2 times the quantity of 4 plus 2 divided by 3 minus 1. We have some steps to follow. Step number 1. Solve inside the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we have 4 and 2. So, 4 plus 2 equals 6. Therefore, our new equation is 6 plus 2 times 6. Okay, divided by 3 minus 1. Here's the new equation. 6 plus 2 times 6 divided by 3 minus 1. For the step number 2, we multiply and divide from left to right. So 2 times 6 is 12. Therefore, we have 6 plus, again, 2 times 6 is 12 divided by 3 minus 1. So we have now the equation 6 plus 12 divided by 3 minus 1. For the next step, step number 3, continue division. So we divide 12 divided by 3. So that is 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Now we have 6 plus 12 divided by 3 is 4 minus 1. Now we have the new equation 6 plus 4 minus 1. For the next step, addition and subtraction from left to right. So from left, we have 6 plus 4. So our solution, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Then now we have 10 minus 1. Okay, next, 10 minus 1. Then for the final step, we do subtraction. So 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1 equals 9. Therefore, the final answer is 9. Again, the answer to the problem, 6 plus 2 times the quantity of 4 plus 2 divided by 3 minus 1 equals 9. And that's all for now, and thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.